Wala namang upuan eh.
Maglalakad ka. Ano yun? Opo.
Gusto niyo ba dito?
Ice cream.
Wala namang upuan eh. Sa labas tayo. Or gusto niyo dito? Are these all the flavors?
Dairy free. Ayan. So, okay. Ano si Selena?
Okay. Cherry cheesecake. Do you want it in a cup or no? In a cone. Just how big are the scoops? Pretty big. I'll just have one. Cherry cheesecake? Yeah, cherry cheesecake.
Ako ay, yun ang gusto mo.
Alin?
Yung scoop na yan.
Alin? Ito mo kung masarap ang lavender lemon yun.
This
Masarap
one.
Lavender.
Lavender, this one, that one.
Pero lemonade ako maasim yan.
Oh, I will try that one.
Lavender.
That lavender lemonades. Okay.
Ay, choco cookie daw?
Non-dairy to. We also have strawberry vanilla and
Ay, ano lang? I want the waffle. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
and then I want this one.
Lavender lemon?
Yeah, lavender. Yeah. In a cup. Yeah.
One scoop lang ha?
Yeah, just one scoop.
Parang mas malaki pag waffle.
Yeah. Ah, no.
Mas malaki yung scoop na ito.
Okay. Thank you. Bayad na.
Sorry about the wait there. I'm trying to train these girls. Just gonna sneak in between you guys.
You wanna, yeah,
So this is what I've got. Hihi.
Scoop ba yun? One scoop?
Just one scoop.
At tignan mo yung sa akin little.
I know because it's not in the cone. Because that one, the cone is expensive. Oh, see. What is this? Lavender
Oh, lavender lemonade.
lemonade. And you?
Cherry cheesecake.
Cherry cheesecake. Ayan.
Sarap ba?
Yeah, it's good. Very nice. Ayan.
Ang liit ng sa akin.
Yeah, maski na ito. So how much per scoop? How much per scoop?
$3 lang.
$3 per scoop. Yeah. Ice cream. Super init. Ilan degrees ba ang init ngayon?
Yan, may ice cream natin.
Oh.
Punta tayo na.
We just finished. Oh, so hindi tayo pwedeng umupo doon. Pwede ka pumarking dito. Ayun, no parking. Ayan.
Hindi tayo pumunta.
The Shack. Ayan. The Shack ice cream. Katatapos lang natin mag-ice cream.
Guys,
Ito na nga guys, mag-ice cream ulit sila. Katatapos lang namin mag-ice cream. Ice cream na naman daw. Ay. Ay. Ayan. Ano, ice cream ulit? Ayan na nga, oh. Caramel apple mango. Superhero. Ayan ang superhero yung blue na yun. Ay. So,
can I get the pistachio and almonds?
hi. Agad.
Ulit lang? Anong kunin mo?
Caramel cano. Yeah. Maple walnut. Sunken butterscotch. Banana cream pie. So I think I'm gonna try this one scoop lang. Maple walnut. Not in cup lang ah. Yeah.
Wala ma-aircon dito.
I know, but you can sit there maybe. We'll just sit. Ayun ba yung sa'yo? Selena, pistachio. Ayun.
Laki.
Yeah, so big.
This is a single.
Ano yan? Single? Oh, that's big. Can I have maple walnut and
Cone ka na lang pang
cone? Yeah, cone. In cone, just in cone. Kunin mo nga. How much daw? $16. Ah, that's so big. Kunin mo nga, anak. Thank you. Ayan ang aking ice cream. Din tayo. Ayan, so ano? Sit down muna kami dito. Pagkahawak mo na muna na. Uyo, upo.
Ina-training pa kasi mga ano doon.
Alin?
Yan doon. Di ba tina-training doon sa...
Yung mga bata. Family, ano yun eh? Family, ano yun. So, I'll try mine. Yum, yum. Ayan, enjoy muna tayo ng ating ice cream.
Tapos na agad.
Ang hirap ubusin.
Ano mo ubusin?
Ha? Sayang. Sayang talaga. Yan, business is good. Ayan. Ang lakas niya. Lakas ng negosyo. Ang daming bumibili. Kanina pa yan. Oh. Ice cream. Danda ice cream. Here at the shack at Waskesiu. Ayan, tapos na kami mag-ice cream. Second time ice cream. That's a super init dito sa Waskesiu Lake. Ayan. Summer. July. Ayun, ang beach. Ayan. Ang ganda, oh.
Meron palang ganyan, oh.
Ah?
Hindi dapat pumuwesto tayo dyan kanina.